بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Nepsin injection. Composition. Nepsin contains tobramycin sulfate, 10 mg per 1 ml injection, 20 mg per 1 ml injection, and 80 mg per 2 ml injection. Therapeutic class. Nepsin is an antibiotic belongs to the protein synthesis inhibitor with subclass aminoglycosides. Mode of action. Tobramycin is a bactericidal agent that inhibits the synthesis of proteins in the bacteria. Half-life: 2 hours. Half-life is the period of time required for the amount of drug in the body to be reduced by one-half. Indications: lower respiratory tract infections caused by Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella species, Enterobacter species, Serratia species, Escherichia coli, and Staphylococcus aureus. Septicemia. Septicemia refers to the blood poisoning. This term is used to define the blood poisoning particularly caused by the bacteria. Serious central nervous system infections like meningitis. Meningitis is the infection of the meninges. Meninges are the protective coverings or membranes of brain and spinal cord. Intra-abdominal infection. Peritonitis. Peritonitis is the infection of the peritoneum. Peritoneum is a thin tissue that lines the inner wall of the peritoneal or the abdominal cavity. The cavity which contains organs, abdominal organs like small intestine, large intestine, stomach, the gallbladder. Skin, bone and skin structure infections. Complicated and recurrent UTI, urinary tract infections. Daily dosage. For neonates aging 0 to 7 days, 2 mg per kilogram every 12 hours. For neonates more than 7 days of age, the dose is 2 mg per kilogram every 8 hours. Children, 6 to 7.5 mg per kilogram per day in 3 or 4 divided doses. Adult, 3 to 5 mg per kilogram per day in 3 or 4 divided doses. Intravenous administration. Usual volume of diluent 0.9% normal saline or 5% dextrose injection is 50 to 100 ml infused in 20 to 60 minutes. Peak plasma concentration. Peak plasma concentration is the maximum drug concentration achieved. The peak plasma concentration for Nepsin is achieved in 30 to 90 minutes with measurable levels remains in the serum for up to 8 hours. Side effects: neurotoxicity and nephrotoxicity. Neuro refers to the brain and neurotoxicity is the damaging effects of any substance or a drug on the brain. Nephrotoxicity. Nephro refers to the kidneys and nephrotoxicity is the damaging or harmful effects on the kidneys of any substance or a drug. Contraindications. Nepsin should not be used in pregnancy as Nepsin falls under the pregnancy category D. USPs. Reliable choice in combination therapies in post-surgical gynecological infections like tubo-ovarian abscess. Abscess is the collection of pus within a tissue or a body cavity or in an organ. Tubo-ovarian abscess is the infection of the fallopian tubes and ovaries filling with pus and occasionally involving the other adjacent pelvic organs like bowel or bladder. Acute or chronic salpingo-oophorytis. Salpingo-oophorytis is the infection of the uterine tubes and the ovaries. Postpartum endometritis. Endometritis is the infection of the inner lining of the uterus. Postpartum. The period beginning immediately after the birth of a child, and it extends for about 6 weeks. Postoperative pelvic cellulitis. Reliable choice to treat severe gram-negative infections. Napsin has better cure rate in septicemia. Pyelonephritis 94%. Pyelonephritis is the infection of the kidneys. Peritonitis, enteritis, infection of the intestines. Hepatic abscess or cholangitis. Cholangitis is the infection of the common bile duct, the duct that carries bile from the gallbladder to the duodenum. Pneumonia 86%. Pneumonia is the infection of the lungs, particularly involving the microstructures or the air sacs called alveoli. Unspecified UTI, urinary tract infection 92%. Pyoderma, subcutaneous abscess, infected wounds 86%. Less incidence of ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity. Oto refers to the ear. Ototoxicity is the damaging or harmful effects of any chemical substance or a drug to the inner structures of the ear. Lower MICs than other aminoglycosides. MICs is the minimum inhibitory concentration of a drug required that prevent the visible growth of the microorganisms. Less incidence of resistance offers dosage flexibility. Competitors: Tosin by Ambros and Tofsin by Rico Pharmaceutical. Thank you.